Good morning. Welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to do a demonstration of the looks like my component and transistor analyzer. Copied this off the X-Ray Tony B's channel. Excellent teacher. If you ever need to learn stuff, check him out. I don't do a whole lot of audio amps, but I'm more on the radio side of things. But if you ever repair audio amps, this would be a good thing to have. So this is the curve tracer. Got the kit from Thailand, and yeah, it took a while to show up, at least a month or more. No tracking, mostly all complete. Some of the circuit board's a little sketchy. This one here is a component tester I got off of eBay. I don't remember what I paid. They're like $5. They're not like the TC1 or TC2. They're not in color, it's just green, but it works pretty much the same. This is an Octopus curve tracer that I added because I had room in the box. So this switch here will switch between the component tracer over here and the transistor tester over here. This knob switches between the first and the second test fixtures. NPN and a PNP switch, and high and low power transistors. So without further ado, I will kick this into action. Now you can see this one's lit green. That means this one's testing. This one's blue. This one's testing. And because I used a rotary switch, I have one extra spot if I ever want to add something to it. This one, I just hit the start button and it comes on and displays your part number. Now this one will match the transistors on the scope pretty good, but if you need to narrow down the HFE, this will give you a pretty good idea. And I like this one particularly compared to the TC1 or the TC2 because this has a fixed voltage, and I've noticed on the TC1 and the TC2s that as the voltage on the battery wears out, so does your readings, especially on resistors. So anyway, I've got two PNPs in the test fixture, and I will switch over to take the camera down and show you what the scope shows. Just a second.